Hello everyone, my name is Adriana and today with Leonardo we are going to present you a new video in which we will tackle the common problem of how to extract a stripped or cross-threaded screw. Over the years, multiple techniques has been developed to deal with this issue, but today we are going to focus on one of the most effective and precise ways using an essential tool, a mini Dremel. Our mission will be to make a careful and well calculated cut in the middle of the screw. As always, for your convenience, I have included purchase links for this tool in the description of the video. In my opinion, the mini Dremel is a tool that should not be missing in any repair laboratory, especially if you work daily on electronic device repair. With over 600 units sold globally, it's a proven and highly reliable product. This tool is like having a mini Dremel in the palm of your hand that allows us to cut metal sheets of mobile devices with unmatched precision. In addition, it offers the advantage of being able to wear down the integrated circuit of the screen, in this way avoiding the need to apply too much heat, which could be harmful. Personally, I consider it an extremely useful tool in the world of the mobile repair. If you find this type of content useful and relevant, please do not hesitate to give it a strong like. Your support is always appreciated. Thank you. Now let's get to action. This is where we need a flat head screwdriver. With a gentle and steady twist, we will manage to loosen the screw. This simple and effective method will allow us to extract any screw that is stripped or cross-thread. This concludes our video for today. I hope it has been helpful and provide you with a new technique for dealing with worn out screws. Guys, he's Leonardo and we are looking forward to see you again in our next tutorial. Until next time, take care and bye bye.